Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Hmm. Afrobeats. Ballad. Ballad. Oompa. Oompa. Children's music. Christmas music. Oh, circus. Yo. Yo, this is something else. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yo. Okay, might have to come back to this. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Okay. Wonder where this ability gets used. I bet it goes under attack. I bet it's when I bite. Attack animations / bite. But when does that get populated? Oh, it's here. I put it there. Bite. I'm gonna let that go for now. What happened to the stream earlier? I just took a break for an hour. Is that okay? Just went on a walk. Finished up eating my dinner. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Good translation. What did she say? What did she say? I was out for a bit. What? Came back, it's like, I rage quit. I went like, I'm done! Doosh! Smash. Explosion. Ah! Oh, my ego, stop! You. Stream gone. That's what happened. I think I should make an attack for it. Go. I think I should make the attack. Okay, hold on. I don't want to listen to that. Some classic acoustic music. Yeah, I'm trying out some different stuff. I don't know what this means. I kind of like it. Okay. Check out the artist yesterday? No, I knew you were gonna ask me about it. I didn't. I closed the stream and then I went to bed. Like basically immediately. I closed the stream, brushed my teeth, went to sleep, and then I woke up this morning and then I started working on the game again. And I ate breakfast and then I started streaming again. I could have listened to it while I was working on the game before I started streaming, but I don't like to listen to music during that time because it's like the only time during my day that I can't, where I don't have to listen to music. You don't have to? Well, I want to at some point. I'll probably do it on Sunday when I'm not streaming. I mean, I like listening to music, but I also like not listening to music, you know? Let me check this out. Would you like me to send you the link somewhere, or have you? I got them saved. Yeah, don't worry about it. I got them saved. This is fine. I'm not a huge fan of the jazz flute. I don't know. Let me see what else I can find. I did the jazz flute. Yeah, I'm just not personally into it. Bro, when is new Arc video coming out? I'm sorry, Flavio Dragos. It won't be coming out for a while because I have this game project that I need to. I have the playtest. It needs to be ready to playtest in 2 weeks. So basically, until then, I have to work on it like all day, every day, and then I'll see what's going on. I'm sorry. Video's just not as much of a priority. I kind of like this. Pretty sick. We are so back. That's right, Daholi. Breaking our hearts. Well, I don't know, man or woman. Also, just not that excited about playing Dota right now, especially Arc Warden. It's in a weird spot. He doesn't really feel great to play right now. I don't feel like I'm like playing Dota when I play him. I feel like I'm like, if I win a game with him, I feel like I'm getting away with murder, you know? It's like pushing really hard against what Valve wants to do. I don't like doing that. If Valve doesn't want me to play Arc Warden, like, kind of just don't want to do it. Just play Naga. You know, make Naga Illusions able to use I like Magic Arc, and it's a chore. Yeah. Yep. I'm sorry, man. Part of it is, yeah, I need to get this done, but also, like, when I play Dota these days, I just feel like I'm wasting my time. Like, I'm not... People get upset when I pick Arc Warden, which is kind of reasonable, because it's kind of a shitty hero. And then they get, like, mad at me, no matter what I do, and I just... You know, maybe back when I was younger and I didn't have as much stuff going on, it's fine. I didn't have anything better to do. But like now, I have other stuff. Like, it's like I'm choosing, like, why am I choosing that over like doing constructive stuff like making a game or stuff like that? Or, you know, working on my studies and stuff. It doesn't feel good. It's not fun. It's not really fun, and I don't know. People get mad at me for doing it. Don't like it. Doesn't feel good. I don't want any vocals. It's... Oh, here's the flute again. I don't want any vocals. Okay, now wait a minute. Okay. It's okay. Do what you enjoy. Thanks. Okay, I can vibe with this. How does it know where to do the attack? Oh, it does that. I think there should be a cooldown on the attack. But it's gonna change how this works. If not, if can't attack. And yeah, and attack cooldown something. Let me see what I can do here. Dog bite. I'll just do this, I guess. Could even put the attack box in the attack thing to affect how much range it has, but I don't know. Cast. If attacking and can cast and targetable. Second. I think this should be outside of it. Bite. Get parent dot target at goal position. That probably should be something passed through the cast function. But the target. I might do that. So then if we go here, we do attack, get child, or attack. There. I guess it's not target, it's the body. There. Okay. You see, Hiko, we all sit here and dream of viewer ability drafts. You see. Do we? We all sit here and view viewer ability drafts? Oh, damn. Nope, Creole. I appreciate your love of ability drafts. We ability draft enjoyers are few and far between, so we have to stick together. We gotta stick together. I think I do this. Oh, but this isn't updated when their damage is updated. So what if I do this? You know what this? Do you guys know what movie this reminds me of? You guys know what movie this reminds me of? Such a good movie. This might work as it is, I don't know. Let's see what happens. No. It reminds me of Chef. Have you guys seen the movie? This is such a good movie. Love that movie. When are these set up? I guess they're not set up here. How do I do it here? See if that works. No. Attack is not a function. Oh, I see. I can't rename it. Oh, it's because I didn't actually put it in here, did I? It's not empty. This has got to be get node. Grandparent. On attack box. Oh, I think I know what it is. The wolf doesn't have an attack. Shield run no value. Passive inventory. Oh, it's giving it the wrong thing. It's not this. It is the... Gotta update this. Okay. Now it's gonna work. It is working. They're pushing the hiker out of the way. That's so funny. Alright, cool. Now we need to add a timer. One shot. How long? Maybe 2 seconds. Maybe 3. How do I do attack cooldown on the player? Oh yeah, I forgot this is where it's set. But how do I set the cooldown time? Globals.attack time. Where's my attack ATSP? These guys are so fast. They look so scary when they're running at you. Okay, then on the dog bite. caster.bat caster dot attack speed. Okay. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Okay. What happens if I handle it inside of here? I just got an email that would get a Copilot usage this month would have cost $90. What is GitHub Copilot? What was I trying to do here? Oh, I was trying to randomize how long they took to attack. Or if they tried to attack again. The AI stuff that my work uses. $90? Damn. I don't think I want this. Delete it. It's gone. And I use it on only like 3 days? What? 3 days? $90? That's a lot. I mean, I guess it's like business charges, right? If your customer is a business, you can just you can basically like do all but extort them. So the way this works is if can attack. New song? Yeah. Exploring new horizons. When is can attack used? Let me try this then. Let's try this. What are they doing? What are they doing? Ah. Why do they randomly speed up and slow down? Well, that's what they're trying to go for attacks, but they're not, something's not letting them attack. It used to be that the attack timer let them attack. So it's by default not. Oh, so I need to auto start this. That's the problem. Or I can just do this actually. Ah! Objective type nil. Oh yeah. Gotta go first. It's gotta go first. There we go. Okay, they don't care about attack cooldowns. They definitely don't have any attack cooldowns. That's pretty funny. But now they're doing they can't figure out what to attack. Now they're not doing it anymore. What's the timer that ticks down next to the big one in the HUD? Are you talking about this? This golden circle thing? Yeah. That's your experience. That's your experience. Ah, so if they go for the attack, but don't succeed, try saying a break from it to see if you hit them. No, I mean I know what's going on here. It's they're getting when they go for the attack, it says can't attack. It's because I'm kind of abusing this variable. Try getting used to that will speed up development so much. You don't think the development is fast enough? I feel like things are moving fast enough. Oh, you're doing fine. Okay. The problem is that when they go for the attack, and I'm using this. This is not really can attack. This is like, can they go for an attack? Then they attack, move, and they're depending on this thing to actually happen, so that they can attack again. Yeah. But this should happen after 3 seconds. But this doesn't start. This doesn't start until the cast actually happens. Generally, using breakpoints is way better than print debug, or just brooding over what could be wrong. Why is it better? Why do you think setting breakpoints is faster than, like, I guess what I do, which is brooding over what could be wrong? You get more information quicker to narrow down the issue. You get more information quicker. Why is it that breakpoints allow you to get more information quicker? I mean, if I want to get more information quicker, I could just go to Wikipedia and look up how tall the Eiffel Tower is. I would have more information. It's just not information that I care about, you know? I think the cooldown timer needs to start back here. It needs to start here. Yeah. And more information regarding the state of the program. Usually when hitting a breakpoint, you can extract all of it. Okay, I'll try it. I'll try it next time. I'm not sure if I believe you, but I'll try it next time. I'll do this. Feels better. Attack. Oh wait, I don't know necessarily what the attack is though. Okay, that's better then. Okay, so now I have the attack cooldown. Now I have the attack cooldown, and so now I want to set that here. Attack cooldown dot start. I'm also not too familiar with Godot either, but getting used to working with breakpoints helps a lot with a growing code base. I think it's still good to at least let you set breakpoints in smart spots. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm concerned about. I think that, I mean, yeah, like I can just set this breakpoint, right? And be like, okay, Here's my breakpoint, you know? Like, I'm just not convinced that figuring out where a good breakpoint would be is much faster than, like, working through what the problem is. So now we start the cooldown here. Unfortunately, this means that you can't just put the dog bite anywhere, but also the dog has a very particular movement. And setting the attack move to be in the dog bite. I mean, I could do it. But I would be referring to, like, so many things outside the scope of the dog bite. Actually, you know what? I actually don't think it's that bad. Let me see if I can do that. Wait a minute. No, because I need to know where the... I'd have to put the attack box in here, I think. Or I would connect it. I would connect it. Breakpoints are great if there are multiple paths your program can take, and you want to quickly verify that it uses the right path with the right state. Oh, so basically any time that I would be using a print thing to figure out if it's doing something. I could see that. Sometimes I'll use like a print, like a random string to tell if it's actually getting somewhere. Breakpoint would be a better tool for that job. I don't think I can spend time right now refactoring this dog thing to be super versatile. I think I'm just going to let it go for now, because I need to move on and it works. Probably at some point I'll come back. This isn't happening first. I guess I can do this. I'm an enemy.gd. Because the hiker doesn't have an attack. Could put this inside of the attack. Or I could give the hikers a dummy attack. I think that's what I should do. Alright. I don't know, actually. This would be a great moment for interfaces. They do not exist to my knowledge. Interfaces? I guess I'll just put it on the attack. I don't know. I don't know if this is the right thing to do or not. We'll see. Ah, but then it doesn't know what this is. It needs to define any interface, and every enemy has to implement all exposed functions of that interface. So your hiker would have a do-nothing attack. Yeah. That does sound useful. The problem is not, unlike the player, every enemy may not have, every enemy will have an attack, but not every enemy will have 4 abilities. So the abilities are going to need to be like self-sufficient. They're not, they can't complain, or yeah, they can't complain about not being populated. But if I put it in the ability, it won't know where it's supposed to be. Well, maybe I don't do an attack cooldown. Maybe I just do... Or actually, you know what? I think the solution here, I think I'm abusing this. I think the solution is to do it in here. In the dog's ready function. Super. And then you do attack equals attack dot get. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. Because like I said, each enemy is not standard 0. Then every enemy you'll have to tell every enemy what it needs to look for, which is exactly right. That is what is supposed to happen. Caster dot, what was this? Caster dot attack. Oh right, I was gonna, yeah. See if this works. Name a character James 2. Yo, Bali is back. He was here at the beginning of the stream and he'll be here. He's now here. He's here at the end of the stream. The file is called James 2 GD. Yeah. I wonder what happened to that guy. Master is not initialized. Oh, I see. Oh, I just need to make a ready function, and I'm stupid. Autofill it. There we go. And then we put this here. He made a game in the middle and then I don't know. Really? Not to remember why, but why did you choose GDScript over C#, which is the more mature language? Because GDScript is the proprietary language. GDScript was made with Godot in mind. C# was not. So I was thinking, well, if I'm not worried about using C# for anything else, then I'll use GDScript, right? Not that I'm not saying that they're like, I don't think that there's like, oh, there's like things that you can do with GDScript that you can't do with C#, but if all other things are equal, I'm gonna use the proprietary language. I didn't know, I didn't have any C# knowledge. These guys are attacking like way faster than they should be. Is this new poop music? Yep. Either go to the toilet or have one nearby. Keep a copy of the fast attack file. Could be a nice difficulty. Well, the attack scales off of the target's attack speed. That's so we're trying to make it so that you can attack. If the enemy gets items, you can make them. I mean, you could, whether or not it's an item, you could always just go in and change their attack speed. If can cast and can move. And that's set here. So if they can attack, that's the only time that they do that. Thought it was static? No. Nope, nope. Maybe it's, oh, you know what? You know what? Actually, it might be their attack speed. It might actually just be their attack speed. What is the dog's base attack time? I bet their base attack time is really low. Yeah, 2. Oh, it's 2. And what's their attack speed? 150? Let me make their attack speed like 50 or something. Something super low. This is not Arc Warden. I don't know. It's not Arc Warden. No, what are you talking about? This is Arc Warden. Dude, this is Arc Warden. What are you talking about? What's your attack speed formula? Same as Dota. Same as Dota. Their attack speed should be about as fast as mine. Actually slower. One, two. They killed him. 3. What if I make it really fast? What if I give him like 500 attack speed? Then what? He has a moon shard. They are attacking very quickly. What if I make their base attack time really high? Yeah, fair. I think GDScript is not a bad language, and I do not like C#, but C# has some goodies that GDScript does not have yet. I believe you. I don't think it's working. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Sorry for the eco jump scare. Now that made Maya perk up. I don't even know why it does that. It's just whenever I do Control S in OBS. It's kind of funny. If can attack equals false, attacking equals true, attack move, attack damage, can cast and can move, attack cooldown dot start, you path, ba bing ba boom ba boop bop beep bop ba da boop. Where's the actual cast come though? Oh, it's here. So they shouldn't go for me. So after, if they fail to navigate to the player, then if they fail to navigate to the player, then they don't get to attack. Attacking is false. Died back in just that second. That's funny. Bad attendance like tiny level bullshit where it takes 6 seconds. Yeah. Oh, let me see. I think it has to be in here then. Let me do this actually. I'm gonna delete some of these guys so I know who I'm dealing with. Dude, he's chasing me. I can't escape him. I actually can't escape him. Leave me alone. That's funny. Wolf. Can attack. 2. Okay, so the problem is that he's attacking even when he can't attack. 3. He's somehow attacking even when he can't attack. Right here, though. It's literally right in front of our eyes. Wait. No, that's right. Does movement or pathfinding allow to launch attack? Because I guess that's what's being called. I know what I should do here. I think the problem, I don't know what the problem is, but there is another problem that might be the problem. That is objectively better, which is the can attack thing. The can attack thing should actually just be checking for the attack cooldown. I should just check this. If the cooldown is stopped, so if it's not ticking down. And this is one shot, yeah. Let's see. Well, does movement or pathfinding allow to launch an attack? I guess that's what's being called for the enemy right after the attack is finished, which somehow overrides the old unable to attack. I don't know. Nothing in here. He just doesn't give a fuck. He doesn't give a fuck. How an attack triggered? Now basically, if so, combat. This just basically tests to see if the enemy, if you're aggroed. So if you're aggroed and you're close enough, you're close enough to the enemy to attack them, then it checks these two things. This is the case that you can't attack them, like you're not like theoretically if the attack is on cooldown. This is the case if the attack isn't on cooldown, in which case you attack there. You go there. Can you set a breakpoint on can attack and see when it is set? Well, right now can attack is irrelevant because right now it's just checking the timer. Should at least be checking the timer. I wonder if it's because this thing... Oh, wait. Well, all of this... I wonder if it's because this thing is... Like, I wonder if it's because the dog is initiating multiple attacks before it has a chance to... before this has a chance to start. You know what I mean? Let me do this. Look, every time that they do it, how does that make any sense? I know that does make sense. So the attack cooldown is never starting. That's the problem. Make sure there's only one instance of the timer. Attack cooldown dot start. Wait. Is this just like really short or something? .3. That's about right. They get the bat from your hero and not their own bat. No, it gets the bat from. I mean, this is the property. Also, we know that the timer is supposed to be 1.3. Okay, so immediately after this, it is stopped. So at this point, the timer is ticking. At that point, the timer is ticking. So then you go here. Wonder if I could do this. Oh, he's dead now. Did you set the bat to 10? I changed it back. Is the attack timer 1.3 milliseconds? No. No, it's not. That'd be pretty funny, though. Here, let's do this. Let's just get rid of the, let's just have one. I do have one suspicion, but I think it's... No, I don't think it can be true. Guy with bat 10 again? Let me check something. I can just do this. I can just do this. Look at that. It is false. So why is it attacking even though... The problem is that it's attacking even though the timer is... Look at this. Look at that. True. False, 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 false. True, and then it goes true. That's about right. I think that's right, actually. Okay, here's my concern. Here's my concern. Let me see this. Here's the thing, if I say it and it's not the case, you guys are gonna think I'm a psycho. There's one more test I want to do. No, not a coastal redwood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it working as intended? Is it working as intended, actually? Try bat 10 and bat 1. Okay. My concerns were not correct. What was that? Oh, some random thing. Ooh. Yeah, my concerns are not right. Can you press the elapsed time of the timer and see if it matches your expectations? The elapsed time? Under attack speed. I'm gonna get rid of the dog. Okay. Yeah, no, that's right. Okay. I think it's working as intended. I think it was just a lot faster. I think it was partly because there were so many of them that it was kind of making it confusing. So the question now is, what should their base attack time be? Maybe like 5? Let me see what 5 looks like. I mean, 5 is pretty fast. Dude, these dogs are aggressive. These guys are no joke, actually. These guys are no joke, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is making me feel afraid. Dude, get out of here. I didn't even dodge it. Dude, this is a hard game. Who made this? He just wants pets. I don't know, dude. I think he wants my lunch money. I think 5 seems good. You know what I want to try though now is I want to give this guy, I just want to make this guy like 6 slotted. What's it called? Deadeye. Deadeye's not going to work on him though. Faking me out. Dude, this guy's so scary. Oh. Oh. They're supposed to enemy... Supposed to call on pickup for all of them. They are being readied. I was wondering if it's because it's not being supered or something. Dude, you know what this music reminds me of? Have any of you guys played Goat Simulator? This music reminds me of Goat Simulator. I don't want to do that. You know what I'm talking about? Amazing Sandbox? Yeah. I love Goat Simulator. I probably spent like 200 hours playing that game. It's a good game. Leave me alone, dog. What the hell was that? The Mania instance is null too? Oh yeah, no, that makes sense. OSIM is the same creator as Satisfactory? Okay, wait, I'm downloading Satisfactory right now. Okay, never mind, sorry. Why didn't you tell me that? If you had told me that, I would have played a lot longer ago. I need to stop printing all this shit. Why is it not happening? This isn't happening. Yeah, it's not happening. Eco's gonna stream Satisfactory until he finishes the game with us. Like, I'm gonna do like a marathon stream? I don't know about that. You love sleeping on camera. Oh yeah, that's true. I did love that. Not really. Why is my item not being picked up? Oh, it's not detecting any items. Where are the Poe patch notes? Don't ask me. Massive inventory.get children. You know what I should do is I should do... empty. Did I add it to the active inventory? I did. That was the whole problem. I'm stupid. What do you guys think of this music? It's a different vibe. Different vibe. This is really a different vibe. I like a lot of it. But... look at this translation. What is this translating from? What is it translating from? Sounds a little Mexican. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, you're right. This takes me back to that one Mexican restaurant in my hometown. Where's this dog? I always have this kind of music going. Stacks 4. We're gonna wait for him to get Giga stacks. Every time he attacks a little bit faster. Look at him. He's getting faster. He has fervor right now, basically fervor. Oh wait, no, he's gonna kill himself. No, he won't kill himself. He's getting faster. He's getting faster. Troll wolf lord. Troll Wharf Lord. Troll Wolf Lord. Good one. Bro, Warfrat. Okay, does anyone know where Warfrat is? Hello? Does anyone know where Warfrat is? Where is he? Can I do a community post? Where is Warfrat? Is he still on my friends list? Hold on, let me stalk him a bit. What was his? I think I unfriended him. Do any of you guys have Warfrat on your friends list? I want to stalk him. I think I unfriended him. Yeah, I unfriended him. Dude, this dog's gonna be popping off here. Look at him go. My message got timed out. Well, what did you message? I'll take it up with the mod team. Is his attack speed capped by the rest of it? No. He's getting faster. He's getting faster. Dude, this guy's going crazy. Look at him go. This guy's going crazy. You know what I want to do? Oh my god. Enough? How many stacks of Mania does he have? He has 150 stacks and climbing. Okay, I want to do something funny. Oh! Sorry. That wasn't it. Look at this. That was quite funny. Thank you. Get the clip ready. Get the clip ready. You going 4K? No, I'm 7K. I'm 7K. Hold up. Mania. What else do I want to give him? I'm gonna give him Strange Pendant. What else do I want to give him? Reactive armor. Oh yeah, baby. Give him reactive armor. Reactive armor. Isn't Mania just troll ulti? Yes, plus every attack also spends 5% of your max HP to deal 5% of your max HP as damage. So troll ulti plus fervor plus troll ulti plus fervor plus every attack does a percentage of your max HP that also spends it. So basically you kill yourself, but you deal a lot of damage and you're unkillable. Probably gonna need to be balanced a bit, but whatever. What else? There's something else I want to give them. Maybe that's it. So you just die at some point because you're out of HP? No, because you have troll ulti, remember? You got troll ult. Okay, I don't want to. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna let them go. No, fight each other. Fight each other. Yes. Oh. I have no idea what's going on. What is he taking damage from? They killed one of them. Here we go. Oh, he's not attacking, he's gonna die. There we go. Well, let me immediately fly. Oh, here we go. How to die with troll ulti? Well, the mania buff only lasts 5 seconds. So basically, imagine. I'll just say what it is, instead of trying to compare it to Dota. So if you have mania, every time you attack someone, every time you land an attack on someone, it gives you a buff called mania. While you have the mania buff, it gives you a buff for 5 seconds called mania, and each mania stack gives you 10 attack speed. While you have the buff, you cannot die, and also every time you attack, you deal damage. You deal 5% of your max HP as damage, and every time you attack, you increase the stacks. I didn't really explain it that well. If you have mania, every attack gives you a stack of mania. The stacks last 5 seconds. They refresh each other, but the stacks last 5 seconds, and each stack makes your attacks deal 5% of your max HP as damage, Or I think maybe it's 1%. I don't know. Some percentage of your max HP is damage and increase your attack speed by 10. So for every time you attack for 5 seconds, you're unkillable. But if you don't land an attack, then you are killable. Still some stuff to work out with the attacking stuff, to be fair. I don't know why they're like... I don't know why they're failing to attack. I don't know what's going on with that. I think it's because they're moving out of the attack range. I'm getting bored. I don't care about this anymore. Last thing I'm realizing is how does the dead eye work? I forget. I need to make sure the dog's attacks. Well, I guess the dogs don't need to use items. They won't use items. Okay, I'll let it go then. It'd be nice if they did, but they don't need to be able to use items. Enemies. So the last thing is they have an ability. Release a howl that reduces the armor and attack damage of nearby enemies. Okay. Owl. How does this thing work? Hi, what you doing? Just making a video, making video game. What are you doing, Myra Awesome? Myra Awesome. I'm making Game of the Year 2026, as per the title of the stream. Doom scrolling Twitch low-key bored. Understandable. You should make a game. And you wouldn't be bored anymore. Cast I get node faces region wrecked. Can I just actually use this function? Show me your got why. Look at this. Check it out. Check it out. This is my game of the year. What do you think? You run around while dogs chase you to the ends of the earth, and you try not to die. I'm kidding. There's a little bit more to it, but not much. It's a roguelike, an action roguelike. Got some abilities. Got some items. It's kind of complicated. It's kind of complicated to explain. But it's basically an action roguelike. This guy's still stuck on this rock. Give me your dog. I'm working on enemies right now. Trying to make these dogs work. Now they're fighting each other a bit. I like art. The player looks like Fluffy Skull. Yeah, I guess so. Dude, stop getting stuck on rocks. I have to make them a little more intelligent. Are you guys fighting over here? They are fighting over here. That's funny. Yeah. It's pretty, I don't know. Action roguelike. I don't know. Do you play a lot of roguelikes, Mayura? Might be hard to explain if you don't. Some. What are some of your favorite roguelikes that you've played? I might be able to just use this ability. Bases, walking. Hades, okay. It's actually, the structure is pretty similar to Hades. So, yeah, there's gonna be, kind of like in Hades, there's going to be 4 regions that you need to, through which you need to battle. Each region, at the end, there will be a boss. But, I mean, there's a number of ways it's different to Hades. One of the main ways is that the combat is more like a MOBA. It's a MOBA-based kind of combat. That's 1 a.m. heading bed, maybe until tomorrow. All right. Sleep well, Daholi. I hope you feel better in the morning. So I don't know if you played like League of Legends or Dota or anything like that, but you have 4 abilities, or you, just like even like Diablo, some action RPG. Path of Exile, you got 4 abilities.
Self expands.
Is that you, Mayura? Yeah, what's up? Thank you, bro. Or gal. The main feature of the game is that so instead of like in Hades, the main way that you get stronger is with boons. There's also Daedalus hammers and palms of power, but the main way that you get more powerful in this game is with items. So there are 150 items. I can show you. Show all my items. 115 items. Gorgon's Crown, Constructive Kevlar, all these items. And enemies will spawn with items that make them stronger. And if you manage to kill the enemy, then they will drop their item and then you can pick it up. And you have 12 inventory slots. You can see you got 12 inventory slots. So these are some items I was testing earlier. So I got the Encyclopedia here and Constructive Kevlar. And Constructive Kevlar gives you armor whenever you cast an ability. Basically, you try to survive through these stages. You pick up, you kill enemies, you pick up their items, and then you try to kind of craft a build. Because you can only have 12 items. You'll probably get 12 items pretty quickly. But it'll be about like, how do you manage your inventory slots well? You can craft items. You can scavenge for items in the environment. But yeah. Does that make sense? So some other stuff going on too, but that's kind of the main thing. Try to make a cool build. And seems cool. And we got some good music. Good music, cool art. Yeah. Right now I'm trying to make the enemies. I need to make these are the enemies I'm working on. I got 6 enemies. The dog is almost done. I'm trying to add this howl able But the main tricky thing about making enemies is that since enemies need to be able to use the same items that the player can, you need to make sure that the enemies that items can treat enemies like players. I wouldn't kill the poor dogs. Well, they're gonna bite you. Some of them are wolves. How about wolves? New AD build flex, flux, ensnare, cold feet, fiend script. Like Giga single target. I hope you bought a meteor hammer. Ags? Oh no, that's a great Ags build too, right? Does Naga Siren Ag still work on... Does Naga Siren Ag still make your ensnare, like, pierce debuff immunity and stuff? Or I forget what that is. No, okay. Wraith King. What's Wraith King's innate nowadays? I forget. Are you making any games yourself, Myura? What brings you to the software and game development category? It's not a huge category. Spectral after dying. Oh, yeah. It's kind of random. I can't do it. Alright, we'll skip this one. I might change the music here. Never did like any type of serious game. Seems like you were enjoying it. I was enjoying it insofar as it was distracting me from my work. Do some funk. You doing games while PhD? That's right. I drafted Flux first. Are you... what? That's almost as legendary as Maya's first pick Ghost Shroud. I didn't want them to know what I was doing. Well, I get that, but did you know what you were doing? I'm not convinced that you even know what you were doing. Okay, how does this globals thing work? I cast ability. Oh, it's that. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna send it, okay? I'm just gonna send it. Let me open up Feather Barrage, though, as a guideline. So I have the animation and the animation timer. Animated sprite 2D. What else do I need? The cooldown, obviously. Timer. What about Flux plus Noxious Plague? No. No. The best thing with Noxious Plague would be any kind of single target ability that does damage to nearby enemies. That's why Disseminate would have been crazy. There's not that many abilities that do that. Flux plus Noxious Plague would be fine, but anything that would like Ion Shell. Ion Shell plus Noxious Plague would be crazy. Or something else. And Ags. Yeah, I could see that, sure. But still, if they group up, then they're fine. If you did both. 5-minute silence. Yeah, but that's if they're not grouped up. But if they're Noxious Plague, if they got Flux after Noxious Plague, they would be grouped up, though. Right? So your condition for spreading Flux is if they are grouped. And if they are, if the Flux applies, then they won't be silenced. Enfeeble Plague. Enfeeble Plague is fine. I can see the Enfeeble Plague. I can't spell. Script. Script. Cast animation. Yo, what is this? What is this that we're listening to? Oh, I do animation, right? No, 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 no. I don't want this. I don't want this. Right frames? Oh, here we go. No, that's not what I want. This is crazy. Guys, what do you think this song is called? What do you guys think this song is called? The song has a hilarious name. Great name. Easy. So, this is what we do. Or what do we do? I don't know. What do we do, actually? Cast. Midnight Poop. No, it's called Rubber Chicken. Rubber Chicken. Listen to Rubber Chicken right now. So when is he gonna cast this? Whenever he's aggroed. I wanted to cast whenever he's aggroed. I think that's in here though. I wonder if I can connect another one here. Or wait. Can I add something to it? It's like it's calling this. Let's see if this works. Oh, it is working. Oh, see, I could just type it. I can just type it. Now these guys are like comatose. Is this gonna work? Yeah, there we go. I had to super with that. I forgot that super requires the argument. They're going crazy. Okay. So then here, I do the cast. Wow, game development. Wow, it's Aldor Blitz. Interesting, if you say so. How's it going, Aldor Blitz? Guys, now we're listening to Plastic Lizard by the same guy as Rubber Chicken. By the way, I'm a developer too. Wait a minute. How's it look? In art. You're a developer in art? What does that mean? Does you just mean you're an artist? If not... Oh, let me do this. Let me do this. Ready. Attack. Ability 1 equals ability 1 dot get child. Yes. What art do you like to make? What art do you even like to make? Are you a professional artist? Ability 1 cooldown dot is stopped. All types of arts. Do you make art for Twitch streamers? Yeah. Are you gonna try to sell me your art since I'm a Twitch streamer and you're an artist? No. What? You're just here to watch the stream? For real? Damn. Gym that makes you poop part 2. That was Plastic Lizard did sound like maybe make you poop. Aldor Blitz, have you listened to the music that makes you poop before? Listen at your own discretion, at your own risk. Globals. What? Yo, you haven't listened to music that makes you poop? Or is it song that makes you poop? You gotta check this out. Hold on. I finally got it out. Damn, that was big. 10 hours. Oh, I feel bad for the guy, whoever has to watch this. Get ready. It's so good. I can't hold it in anymore. I can't hold it in. Will this not be out of the game? I don't know. What do you think, Gedney? You have to prime them, though. It's fake? It's not making you poop? No, I'm sorry. No struggle. Not my call. Yeah, we gotta ask the music guy. Global's dot ability cast. I don't know if this is gonna work, but ability 1. Maybe it will just work. The resource. What resource? What resource? What would I need a resource for? Let me see how I use it in the player. Ability cast. Oh, the health. Yeah. The holy knows. Myers wrote me into StarCraft 2? No. How much experience do you have in the development field? I started about 2 years ago. I realized that if I didn't... Well, I didn't realize. I just thought. I was like, you know what? I've wanted to make games for a long time. I'm a bit of a gamer myself. Isn't it? And I was like, and I like building stuff. I have 5. 5 what? Toes? Rice? Dollars? Beans? Chairs? Years. 5 years. You have 5 years to what? Live? Oh no. Sorry to hear that. He only has 5 years. He or she only has 5 years to live. Uh-oh. Have experience. Ah, okay. In the art field. Nice. Did you say, wait, did you say that you're professional? Professional and affiliated. Nice. Nice. What's your goal? To get into the Louvre? The Louvre? One day Aldora Blitz Art's gonna be in the Louvre. Mark my words. Let's open own company. What? What is the company gonna be? I'm not trying to steal your idea. Own organization. Okay. What is the organization gonna do? Like your own art organization? Or what? A1 charges. Art. Okay. What's the art org? What do you need? How does the organization relate to art, though? What do you mean you're gonna open an art org? Why do I have ability 1 max charges, but I don't have ability 1 charges? This does sound like music that makes you poop. You don't know about org? I know about organization. Look at my room. I just don't know what you mean by an art org. What is an art org? I think I can just copy this. Can I show org where I'm affiliated with? guess. I think I need all of this. Humane tech card. Nice. Oh my god. One. You didn't answer my question, though. What is the purpose of an art org? Ability 4 cooldown not declared. What do you mean? Ability 4 cooldown not declared? What? It's right here. Oh, needs to have an eye. Okay. Dude, this is so complicated already. Minor spelling mistake? Yeah. Yeah, it happens. My dev needs AI. No, not AI. This needs to be changed. Don't need this. Search on Google, what is art org? Like, all I'm getting is art museums. Have you tried messing with small language models running locally? No. Are you talking about a museum? You want to make your own art museum? Could have just said so. Hey, let me see here. Search humantic card. Specialize in producing unique stream graphics, switch overlays, animations, gaming logos. Okay. Nice. You want to start your own business that creates stream graphics, switch overlays, animations, and gaming logos. That's what you're talking about? I think this actually works pretty well to just copy and paste. One thing that has to happen here is I need to set my cooldown timer. I need to say, well, first of all, caster. I need my caster variable. Caster equals, or character body 2D. master dot. Oh wait, no, this happens. This doesn't happen here. Well, that needs to happen here, but I need to set the cooldown. Dog. I already did that. Never mind. Okay, I'm freaking out. Okay. So then we do this. A1 charges. And on the player is the charges. They have a discount offer for you. Alright. $35 messages just to find out that he is trying to sell me something like I asked. 35 messages. We could have gotten this done a lot sooner. I love streaming on Twitch, bro. Streaming on Twitch is so much fun. You only get people who are actually interested in what you're doing. It's great. I'm not trying to sell you something. Just abusing the platform. Ah. I googled them earlier. Their Trustpilot is hilarious. What's Trustpilot? Where is this? Do I connect these? Wait, do I connect these in the ready function? Are you serious? Wait, that's so funny if I do. No. So how's this trigger? It's a feedback review website. Oh, okay. Plenty of people bitching about their pressure tactics and persistence in chats. Yeah. Yeah, it's annoying. It's annoying. How? Well, if I do connect it. A4 cooldown. It is connected here. Okay. So I guess I do that. 1 second. Be right back. So I need to make, in order for the abilities thing to work, oh, it's not that complicated. I need to connect the ability timeout. I only need to make one. My guy just got good. Good. Plus Quill. What's good? Quill plus aftershock is amazing. What's good though? Goo? You mean goo? I'm telling you, man, I gotta get in your lobbies. Goo. Oh, okay. Let me just use exactly what this is. I can actually just copy and paste this. Ooh, you know what I should do? Ooh, should I do that? I could put all 4 in the enemy function, in the enemy script, but I just connect them. But if I do that, no. Oh no, I should do that because I don't actually need to. I don't need to refer to them in the. Yeah, okay. I should put them here in the enemy script. A1 charges should be in it now. A1 charges. Oh, I think that was there. That was not a recent one. Enemy abandoned at minute 10 because it was too strong. Okay, so I go down here. I can just copy these. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And then I connect all of these. Do I connect these? I need to connect them to the... No, I can't connect them. I can't connect them in this function because the ability cooldowns may not be there. So I need to connect them in the individual enemies function. So I need to do ability 1 cool or yeah, ability 1 cooldown dot timeout dot connect. That's what I do here, right? Yeah. Cool. Dot connect. Ability. Is it ability? Was it timeout? A1 cooldown timeout. Nice. So when the ability 1, when the dog howl cooldown times out. By the way, this should be one shot. When the dog howl cooldown timer times out, then it will go here. It'll go here. Ability charges +1. Nice. Then we spend. It should be in the global function. Charges -1. Where did you get to your pixel art? He is a very talented artist on call. Yeah, it's just a project. I never can find the right words for it. Project partner. 3-person job. 3-person job. I'm the lead game designer and developer, programmer. Then I got a guy who does the music and well, all the sound and the music. That guy also is learning programming. He's not as experienced as myself, but he's learning, and he's done all the HUD stuff. And when the very talented artist on call isn't available, then what? Then I make my own sprites that are horrendous. Even more very talented artists come along the way and makes it. Yeah, that's right. Good to see you again, Diego. Hope you're having a good day. Okay. So I think that logic works. So here, if it's not, then we do globals. Yeah. Do we set our mana? Mana, max mana of 100. How does it know how much mana to spend? Is it on the ability? Yeah, mana cost. They get 10 mana. Something. We'll do this for now. Can cast, can move. Does the enemy have can cast? Yeah, can move. Yeah. Okay. They should have that. Navigation, yep. Oh. Ooh. That's gonna be a problem. I think I need to pass target into this as well. Need to go back and change all the other ones now. And you're wrong about that. There we go. What? That burst will just perma-sense anyone who comes close? Yeah, that sounds pretty insane. That sounds pretty insane. I love how the error is not anywhere on my page right now. What? Oh, it's the ability one. Okay, well, I'll just let it go for now then. Or you know what? Let me do this. Let me get rid of these enemies. Just want to be able to make sure I can cast. I should, yeah. Okay. So then, when this casts, it should be just global position. Actually, you know what? I can even cast it at the body. Body dot global position. Okay. Let us continue. Target point. As node mirror shard and caster I get node mirror shard proc chance. Okay. Resource minus equals ability cost times global mana cost factor. Not global mana cost factor. Not global mana cost factor. We should pass the also we should pass the we should just get rid of ability charge and pass the caster. Yeah. Oh. Oh wait, I don't need to pass it actually. Yeah, I can just get it there. Now we gotta go to the player. Yep. Stop complaining. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. It's all gonna be okay. Take a deep breath. I'm gonna fix it. it doesn't know which ability it is. Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't know what ability it is. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I have to undo all that then. Let's go back here. That should be fine now, but now we need to do ability. Oh, but I can get the caster. Yeah, okay, I'm fine then. What are you not using? Target point never used. Ooh. There we go. So then we get caster dot mana cost factor. Ability charges minus equals 1. Ability dot cast. Ability dot cast. Oh yeah. Hit caster. All right, this is it for the HUD. This is at malfunctions. Caster dot mana cost factor. Simple. 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 Very simple. Okay. So now it should not assume that we're working with a player. We can use this with enemies as well. So let's try to do that. Let's try to do that. This should be ability 1. This should be ability 1. Yeah, ability 1. Mana, A1 charges by a global position. Okay. Good. Good. Now we're getting somewhere. And then now it's gonna do that. Does this handle cooldowns? Or is that handled in the enemy thing in this part? The charges. Yeah. if it goes down. Yeah, so I remember. That's nice. Now, so that means that I never have to start the ability cooldown. I just reduce the charges by 1. Cool. Yeah. So then let's actually set this up. I think the global cast function needs to pass the cast direction into the function. Oh, in globals. Need to be in globals, I mean. Because that's where this goes there. And if the enemy needs to use it on someone, he doesn't need to right now, but if it did, then yeah. That means I have to go back into Feather Barrage. And I need to go into Eyes, Glowing Red Eyes. And I need to go into Take Flight. And I need to go into Swarm. This is my favorite streamer? Hey, what's up, Unlucky Baben? How's your day been? I guess. The zero vector. Try it. Should work normally. Good. Have you been getting enough rest? You had a live last 3 hours ago. Yeah. Yeah. I just took a break. I took like an hour break. I streamed for, I don't know how long. I streamed from 10 o'clock my time to 3:30, 4 o'clock my time. Yeah, 10 to 4. So I guess that's 6 hours. And then I took a break to go on a walk, and then I came back and started streaming again. Probably won't stream in the morning tomorrow just because I'm not as productive when I'm streaming. Need to get some of this stuff done. I thought I'd be further ahead by now. It's more fun when I stream, but just more tiring and get distracted more because I have to attend to chatters like Unlucky Babin. It's fine, I like it. But I also have to be... I have to prioritize actually getting it done. Okay. So So it's cast. And now dog bite or dog howl. Cast. Function cast. Target point. So what does howl do? Now let me see. Howl. What does howl do? This is a howl that reduces armor and attack damage of nearby enemies. Okay. So we're gonna need an area 2D. Effect area. Collision. Shake 2D. Gonna have to do our little trick here. Because for some reason this thing is, or get, yeah, we could try it, but it often is not consistent. Get or 4 units in. Sometimes it doesn't do it. I might try it there. Sometimes it works. Let's see what we can do. 4 unit. This is what I want to do. 4 unit in effect area. Let me make sure that we're looking for the right things. We are on enemies and humans, and we're looking for players and neutrals. Not neutrals. Animals. Change. Sure. 4 unit in effect. No, not change. That should be fine. In effect area. So nice to be able to set these in here. I don't have to. With items, I always had to. Items and status effects, I always had to get the value from the item, but this one I can just read directly. Armor reduction equals let's say 5. I don't know. And this doesn't amplified by items. Armor reduction and well, I'm gonna have to add a status effect for this. Armor reduction. .8. We'll say 20%. So gotta make a new status effect. I love status effects. Love status effects. Feel like I'm back in the old days. Not really old days. I was just doing this. Status. Do I still have my status effect template? I do not. Guess I'll just copy all of this. RTX 3080 Rich Eco? Yo, Vayray just mentioned that she has like a fucking 6090 or something. 38 is pretty good though. It is pretty good. Served me well. But I still can't run Cyberpunk with ray tracing. Like, what am I even doing with my life? I mean, I can run it with ray tracing, but I get like 30. It's AMD. Oh. Aha. $4060? $4060 is pretty good. My dream is to get a 4090 one day. Buy a 5090? Dude, I don't believe in the 50 series. The 50 series seems highly questionable. All the user benchmark says that they're kind of inconsistent. Ugh, how... I'll just call it Howl, because it could come from the wolf. We got a laptop 4080. Laptop gaming? Wait a minute. Does Tactical Vest do that? No. Tactical Vest doesn't do that. Oh, Tactical Vest does do that. I guess Tactical Vest does do that. Probably shouldn't, though. It's not a big deal. Imagine if I had a decent PC, I would be diving on level 1 left and right. Oh. Maybe it's a good thing you don't then. Playing Dota on Mac is something I probably put 4,000 hours into Dota on my MacBook. My like 2012 MacBook Pro. At least it was MacBook Pro. I tried playing Dota. They keep advertising you can play video games, real video games on MacBooks, and I tried playing Dota foolishly on my MacBook Pro, my like 2025 MacBook Pro. It did not work. It did not work. Dota. True. I had 90 FPS on Helldivers 2 with max out with 4K with quality DLSS. That's pretty good. On your laptop? That's pretty good. The reason I consider 59 is the 32 gigabytes VRAM. What would that, how is that useful? Like, I'm not saying it isn't useful. I don't know exactly how all that stuff works. Guess there's not a sprite path. I'll just use the dog. I don't want to do that. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I'll just use this one. It's fine. I do a lot of ML. Oh, machine learning. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough. Use 4K monitor and framed, and you need more than 60 gigabytes of VRAM. Yeah, I don't know anything about that stuff. I don't know about anything about the actual like hardware. I just spend lots of money on computer. I didn't build my PC. I know you guys are gonna be like, what? You didn't build your PC? I did. Cyberpunk path tracing? Yo. Sorry, I'm messaging my colleagues. me see. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, one of my fellow programmer is asking questions. Programmer. Okay. Anyways. Dog howl debuff. Stack. This is gonna be the convention going forward. I guess you could have multiple courses of this. Wait, at 45 FPS with FG? What is FG? The great thing is I no longer have to worry about item amplification in these situations. Very nice. Very nice. Frame gen. Oh, okay. So we need armor, stack, damage factor. And then stack duration. I guess I need to keep track of what these are. Okay. Frame gen, the most realistic picture I got from a game was Cyberpunk 2077 and soccer and stills. I can't share the picture of this chat. If you want to DM me on Discord, I'll block you. Get it. If you want to DM me, I can look at it. The first thing is armor reduction equals stack armor. Okay. And then target dot armor minus equals armor reduction. Target dot damage, or what is it? Reducing specifically attack damage might be a bit rough. Back to all damage, yeah. I think I'm just gonna do reduce armor and damage. Yeah, I want to do timer. And then when that's done, we do this. We also have to do stacks.
I can make the gray turn gold. I can make the sun come out. I can make the bland turn bold. Show you what it's all about. I can make all your edges smooth.
Okay.
I can make your visions come true. Just like a filter. Whenever you want me.
Clean it up when it's gone. And purge target dot armor plus equals armor reduction times stacks, and then target dot damage factor divide equals damage factor to the power of stacks. Okay. And then we do this. Oh, we need to do the description. So the armor is armor reduction times stacks. And then the other one is damage factor to the power of stacks. Okay. Okay. Load. Load the debuff. Oh, constant. Owl resource. Okay, so finally, core unit in effect area. Owl. Oh, if not unit has node status effects slash dog owl debuff. Soccer 2 looks pretty. That game looks good. It does look pretty. Oh, this is the Stalker 2? Damn. That looks good. I never played Stalker or Stalker 2. Yeah, I saw it. Stalker 2 is the 4th game? Wait, what? Call it 10 seconds for the duration, I guess. Don't need target point. Else. We have to do this because what we're worried about is if another dog Howled. Okay. Okay. How big is this effect area? We need to have AoE as well. Probably 10.0, right? Yeah. We'll want it to be like 50. Only Cyberpunk exceeded soccer cartoon realism, but also CP has a very different style to S2. Turns out to be more realistic. Yeah, playing Cyberpunk was a wild experience. It was unlike any game I'd ever played. It was worth the wait. Worth the long wait. Guess I might as well do this. Apparently this is how it's supposed to work, I don't know. Actually, but on a release and didn't face any of the issues? Really? I also completed Soccer and Elden Ring almost exclusively on my iPhone? How? Did you like stream it? I'm just gonna keep multiplying it actually. Stream via Moonlight. Does that work well? I've tried streaming games a bit, but the latency was like a big problem for me, especially with Elden Ring. Maybe I'm just spoiled. It was amazing and seamless, really. I never tried Moonlight in particular. I could change the base AoE. But I wouldn't know what it is. Change the base AoE to be the... I guess I can do that. Kinda weird, but it would work, I think. It would work. Unlike it's like Steam Remote, but 999 times better. Yeah, I guess I think I used the Steam Remote. No input lag, damn. Okay. I also need to do... No, I don't. Because the globals thing takes care of everything, right? It's supposed to. Yeah, it's supposed to. Oh, but I still have to take care of the cast animation. I have to do this. Let's see what Feather Barrage is like. I think I do. I want to copy this. Oh no, frame duration. Oh, perfect. Interaction of the matter. Yes, you have a bigger screen on the table or a huge TV, but another screen in your house. Yeah, there you go. I'm glad that worked for you. Playing Elden Ring on your phone is crazy. Do you have like a big phone screen? I guess all phone screens these days are pretty big. Play 15 Pro Max. Okay, there you go. It's like bigger than my monitor, probably. With my VR headset, the resolution make games run like ass. You need that 5090 then. You need the 5090. I gotta set it to be true.
so self-assured when you talk about all the things you're gonna do.
Let me do this.
You can't let the world make your dreams come true. What I say.
Just those two things. I had to set faces to be visible as well.
Bet you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall.
Animation finished. I was get a 5090 just to stream games to my 5 Pro. That was foveated rendering. Okay. So we do cast animation visible equals false. But we do the caster dot get node faces equals true. Yeah. Hey, Cole, you remember those amazing quiet moments in Elden Ring whenever you enter a pitch black cave and activate that lost grace? It literally burned my eyes. Ah! My eyes! Oh, nice. I can save. Not save, but you can. I can refill my flasks and level up. Is it done? There's no way it's done, right? Yes, we try it. Dog. Ability 1. Or not ability 1. Howl. I don't know. We'll see what happens. What is my dog's AoE? Maybe 0. AoE. Yeah, man, still looks fine to me. Let's see what happens. Dog. Not like this. Something I haven't gained over myself. Your graphics optimization technique that mimics human vision by rendering the area you're looking at directly at. Oh, okay. That makes sense, yeah. That would be for performance reasons, right? He's not howling. Let me print howl. Not howling. Okay, it's getting there. Okay. If not, ability 1 cooldown is stopped. So the ability 1 cooldown must be starting. It's not auto starting. It is true. If not... Oh no, it should be if it is stopped. If it is stopped, then we go. There we go. Now it should crash. There we go. Who's the third viewer? Hiroshima getting some traction. How many viewers are we at right now? 2? By scale. Oh, it doesn't need to be a vector too. Not to get children. Wait, no, not get. You gotta get overlapping bodies. Four? Yo. Yeah, ever since I've taken a break from Dota, the viewership has been less. Okay. I'm okay with it, at least. Maybe you guys aren't. I mean, I don't really have a choice. Oh, I did his little animation thing. I think it's going too fast, though. Doesn't matter. I can fix that later. The question is, am I getting the debuff? It's gone now. Damage factor 0.8. Armor. -5. And it should wear off. Dimmu Borgir just released their new album after 8 years. What kind of music is that? Is that the symphonic death metal? Okay. You could turn your dev stream into a watch the viewer matches. Do a picture-in-picture and shit cast some of them while you work. Oh yes, because what I need is more distractions. I need that way. Finally, now I can try to pay attention to chat, my coding, and a match that's going on. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I'm sorry. I don't mean to make fun of you. I'm making fun of myself. I appreciate the idea, but I mean, the reason that I'm doing this, I don't know what's gonna happen after 2 weeks. I need to spend like every waking hour working on this game so that it's ready in time. And so the options were either stream this or don't stream at all. So I'm like, well, I'll stream this. People want to show up, they can, and I'll see what happens. Well, I guess it works. Kind of surprisingly, I didn't really expect it to work. Why does it not have a cooldown? Oh, it's not checking to see if it has charges, right? This. So actually, it's not this. It's actually this. I'm still doing it. Forget Dota, man. Do your stuff. Oh, thank you. I appreciate the support, but I also don't have a choice, really, right now. I don't need to do this anymore. What am I missing? Let me see how many charges they have. Charges aren't going down. Also, the dog isn't doing anything. Does howl? And he stops acting. Alright, well, that's it for me for tonight. I gotta head out. Thanks everybody for watching. I might not stream, I might not start to stream, I might not do the morning stream tomorrow, we'll see. I'll at least do an evening one, but I might not do a morning one, just because I'm a bit behind. But thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you have a good day, have a good evening, have a good morning. But I'll see you guys later.